Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create YouTube news videos with AI. Okay, first things first, start by visiting Google News and check the top stories section. Choose then the first 3 news stories. After that, click on a news stories to access the full article. Copy the entire article, then paste it into ChatGPT or any similar tool. And then instruct the AI to rewrite it into an engaging script suitable for a YouTube news channel. Use then the ChatGPT to generate a voiceover script. After that, copy and paste the script into a text-to-speech tool like Flixture. Select then a neural voice and generate the voiceover. You can further create the video using clips, images, and GIFs from Flixture's library. For video segments related to news, use YouTube videos by copying the link and importing it to Flixture. And editing, of course, if needed. But ensure that you provide proper credit to the source of these videos. You want to add also transitions, motion graphics, text overlays, and more to enhance the video. Pay attention also to the video description, giving credit, and source information. Once done and satisfied, just select Export and Flixture and your video will be ready in minutes. Then you can also choose your YouTube for direct upload to your channel. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now create YouTube news video with AI. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!